guys, today I'm showing y'all how I made this mock-up box for under $5. It was quick, simple, easy. You can do it in under an hour and you can decorate it how you want to. For any more small business tips and tricks, like and subscribe to see more. Hope you guys have a wonderful day and enjoy the video.
Where's my hat?
Give me a hug,
Say hi to the camera.
Hi, camera.
I'm coming to get you. Ah. Ooh. Are you okay?
I'm not silly, you're silly.
No, you're silly.
No, you are.
What color do we pick? What color is it?
Wow.
It is brown. Is there any other colors that we've seen? What else? Teal. You be seeing some fun with the leaves. We at the house now. And I got my box. I got my poster board. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to close one end of the box. Leave the other end of the box open. Put poster board inside the box. And I think some paper, like cover up some of the sides with paper. Just so the roof is also white. I'm going to show y'all what I'm doing. While I was gone, I got real tape, okay? We got the actual poster boards. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this poster board, put it in there. We're gonna line the top. I think we're gonna line the top first, then we're gonna put the other one in there. We're gonna cut. What I'm gonna do now is actually measure the box, and then we'll cut it. Now that we have all our marks, we just gonna go good. Now we're gonna actually tape the backs. For the next one, I'm gonna use the piece that we have left, measure it, and cut that. And then I'll cut it. We got it all cut up. Now we just assembling the rest of the pieces. So we'll continue to put tape on the top piece, stick it in there until we cover 3 of the sides. We've already covered 1. And then we'll move to the last and third step, the last step from there. Okay, now we've got that third cover, and I did put extra tape on all of the sides, like on this part of it, since we got the corners already, just so everything is solid, and when you turn it multiple different ways, it's not coming off. Not perfect. Of course, there's still some brown spots we need to cover. That's the general gist of it. So I'm gonna come back once I like do the details and make it look a little bit more presentable, and then we can actually go in and take our photos. Okay, so I checked. I found this. I'm sorry, wrong way. Found this. So it's like a crystal type situation. I think this is what I'm gonna line the corners with, and then I'm gonna put flowers on top of that if I still want the flowery vibe. Right now, I'm just waiting for my hot glue gun to heat up, and then I'm gonna actually measure this out and see how much I need and everything like that. Okay, so this is the best it's gonna get for now. I did set it like a little for when we take pictures. So it's kind of something there too. I'm gonna set up, figure out what I'm taking pictures of today, and we're gonna get started. Any other lines I'll just like crop out, or I can erase those other lines that you see already in the whiteboard when I do Photoshop.